3,500 kilowatts of solar power generation in 24,500 square meters. Not just on rooftop or ground, but on 4 surfaces. One fully operational greenfield facility. But how was it all done? HYS, company of the Raghuvir Group, was building a new home techs manufacturing facility for export and domestic markets near Viramgam. With a clear mandate that it would run on renewable energy, their ask was simple: generate 3,500 kilowatts of solar power in their fully operational facility from day one. At Environomics, we have been designing and executing large-scale solar infrastructure for industrial and commercial clients since 2016. For HYS, we weren't just a vendor. We were their solar infrastructure partners since 2018. The challenge wasn't the capacity, it was the space. A conventional rooftop-only or ground-only approach needs more area to generate 3,500 kilowatt power without compromising the facility's operations. Environomics resolved this by expanding what counts as usable space. Every available surface became part of the solution. The 3,500 kilowatts power was divided across 2 distinct frameworks and 4 surfaces. 1,300 kilowatts power distributed across rooftop and parking canopies structured under net metering. 2,200 kilowatts power across ground mount and boundary walls structured under captive gross metering via wheeling. For the 1,300 kilowatts power rooftop and parking installation, we secured GEDA, CEIG drawing approvals and UGVCL TFR payment. For the 2,200 kilowatt power ground mount and boundary wall installations, approvals extended further. GEDA Stage 1 and 2, CEIG, UGVCL and additionally GETCO and SLDC. With all approvals in place, installation began across all 4 surfaces simultaneously. What looked like 4 separate sites was one coordinated execution, managed as a single project held to a single standard. Post-installation, Environomics navigated a second round of regulatory clearances: CEIG charging approval, UGVCL net metering agreement, and high-tech lab meter testing for the rooftop track. For the ground mount, UGVCL charging approval, GETCO sign-off, and final SLDC GEDA commissioning reports. That's us. At Environomics, you get 100% compliance solar infrastructure before a single unit was handed over. The plant was handed over to HYS with all regulatory documentation in place, desired outputs against radiation data met as committed, and a 5-year operation and maintenance contract signed, because delivery doesn't end at handover. 3,500 kilowatt power with Aatmanirbhar panels, Sungrow inverters and MTE structures. 4 surfaces, 1 partner. Environomics.